Jade. And you're V-Pop Jade.
I'm Beanie Aya.
I'm Beanie Aya. And she's Beanie Verocha.
Beanie Verocha.
Okay, this next song is by Mariah Carey.
Mariah Carey? Mariah Carey.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pictures, bringing me out to top. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'll lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
Jay Cruz.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pictures, bringing me out to top.
Hi, si Mia Alosos. Hello, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, JM. Shoutout sa'yo. Sinoutout na kita. Antayin mo kayo isang pangarap.
Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one
Thank
We
you.
could have
This
had
year only. Thank you, Shara, babe. I love you so much.
Wala. Bago lang kasi yun eh.
We could have had it all. Rolling in the
Nasa ba yung mga kanta mo? Nasa mga kanta mo? Hindi ko kaya yung mga kanta mo.
hands, and you played to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat.
Nice. Diba? Nag-blend kami sa dulo. Sheesh! Nice one! Ang taas ng boses ni Mariah Carey. Siyempre, Mariah Carey.
Zombie.
Di ba kayo nahanap ng nanay niyo? Hindi po. Sorry, we're not. Hindi mo kasama kila Ray. Hindi po. Friends. Friends din.
Bata ka ng high
Oh my God! You're Reds! Hindi!
May iba na kasi. Okay, ito next yung kantahan ng mga nanay at tatay ko kasing general. Joke lang, hindi sila nag-care. Pag nag-iinuman lang, ito yung kanta ng tatay ko. Kasi sobrang haba lang ng talaga dito, so dadadag
Tagal ng intro, di ba?
Ay, Ate Jess. Another hand slowly, child is slowly taking. The violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaking? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tongues and their bones and their bones and their bones. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, 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 yeah, yeah. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. That's young person. Hey, it's Asian music show. Ano guys, nagpapaka-ano lang kami. This is a girl sign out. Masyara na si Bebe. Sino Bebe? Another love is breaking, heart is taking over. The violence causes silence. Who are we mistaking? It's the same old thing since 1916. In your head, there's still fighting. We their tongues and their bones and their bones and their bones. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, 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 yeah, yeah. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so far. Can you search it to the far? Okay, sige, okay. Mag-request na tayo paano gusto nyo. What's up, guys? I'm doing my hello. for kaibigan ka Jollibee. Wala si Jollibee eh.
Okay, paki-stop nga, baby. Kasi mahaba yan eh. Ito pala, sa akin pala yung remote. Okay.
This next song is for all my loved ones out there. Sa mga meron pong jowa dyan, this song is
Paano pag wala?
dedicated to you. Wala. Ako din wala ng jowa, so damay-damay na to. Pero, ayun nga guys. Sana masaya kayo sa mga merong karelasyon dyan. Nanonood ako. Charing!
Sino ba si Chakakan?
Guys, mag-tiktok live ako. Bye-bye.